everyone, Miss Royce here, and I'm here to teach you how to access Google Docs. Now Google Docs is a website that we can use to type in some of the writing assignments that we do in class. Now the reason we put these into Google Documents and we don't use thumb drives anymore is that we can access these documents, and you can access these documents from anywhere and from any computer that you want. So the first thing you want to do is you want to be opening a web browser. Now when you're in our computer lab, you want to be opening up Google Chrome. Now I know that this desktop looks a little bit different than what you would normally see, but it's about the same. This is because it's on my laptop. First, you want to open up Google Chrome. But on my laptop, I can't open up Google Chrome, so I'm going to open up Firefox. But remember, when you're in the computer lab, open up Google Chrome. It works the best. So we're going to open up Firefox, in your case Google Chrome. And you're going to be finding yourself at your home page. Now it might be Google or another page, but that's okay. You want to go up to this bar here and you want to highlight or click on the website that's here. Now we don't want to be going to Google. We want to be going to our Auburn Public Schools website. So you can type in auburn.k12.ma.us. Now if you notice, a lot of these bars came up. It's because I've been to this website before. And the computers you're going to be using have too. So if I started typing in Auburn and they popped up, I don't really need to type in the rest. I could just click on one of these and get me to the same place a lot faster. Now, once you get to the Auburn Public Schools website, you want to be looking for this button right here that says Webmail. It's in the top left corner. Once you find that Webmail button, you will click Webmail. Here's our Auburn Public Schools email directory. Here's where you're going to be typing in our username and our password. Our username is Class Royce. And if you notice, as I was typing, I've done this before, so I had Class Royce pop up. If you don't want to type in the whole thing, you can just click on this one. The password. Our password is always Bancroft. Now you do not capitalize the B or any other letters in this word, just plain old Bancroft. Once you've typed in your password, click Sign In. Now, once you've signed in, you'll see that it brings us to our email. Now, we don't have any email, and we're not going to be doing any emails quite yet. But what we're going to be using our email account for is to access this right here, this button that says Drive. Google Docs and Google Drive are the same thing. So when I say you're going to Google Docs, you're really going to the Drive. So we're going to click right there, and it brings us to our Google Drive. Now, I have a couple of things in here from last year, and you're going to be adding in so many writing assignments down here that we're going to see later on this year. But what we're going to be doing first is you need to create these files. Now you want to click on the word, this red button right here on the left, Create. Now it's going to ask you what you want to create. Do you want to create a folder, document, presentation, spreadsheet, form, or drawing? Now in our case, we always want to be clicking on Document. It's that blue page right here. So we'll click on the word Document. Here we are. We're at our documents. And if you notice, it looks very similar to maybe Microsoft Word or something that you would use to type in any stories at home. Now, this is going to be very simple and easy to use, and you guys are going to be able to type in all of your great writing assignments here very shortly. However, the first thing you must do before you even start typing anything, even your name here, is you want to save this. Now, the reason I'm telling you this is because when you want to access your great writing later, you want to be able to find it. It's going to be very hard to find if it's called untitled document. Just think about it. If everyone in the class had an untitled document, it'd be very hard to distinguish whose is whose without opening them. So, as soon as you open up a new document, the first thing you want to do is go up to where it says untitled document and click on it. Now, when you click on it, it's going to bring you to this box. It's going to ask you to rename it. So, here's your untitled document. You can delete untitled document. We don't like that very much. And you want to put in your name and the project's name. Now, if I was doing this, and of course I would want to put my name, so I would type in Miss Royce, and I'll call this tutorial because I'm showing you what to do. So, this is going to be my Miss Royce tutorial document. So if I wanted to go back and fix this later or add more to it, I can find it very easily because it has my name on it and the tutorial. Now at times when we're doing group projects or anything like that, I might be telling you exactly what to name each document so that your group can find it very quickly. But if you're doing your individual document, you want to put your name and the tutorial. Once you've done that and you're happy with your new document name, click OK, and you're ready to start writing some excellent work.